project on the channel. Looks pretty trash right now, but you know, this thing's gonna be looking pretty good when I'm done with it. Alright guys, so this thing is gonna need a lot of work, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get it running and get it pretty good. I am going to go ahead and wash it and probably take this hood off so we can see what all's going on. Alright guys, I got the hood off of it, so now we can see the engine. You know, it's pretty decent size, but this thing must have had a front-end collision. I guess you could call them into lawnmower, so I don't freaking know, but right here, you know, it's gotten, it hit something, I guess, I don't know, it ran into a pole or something, but, and it's also missing the carburetor cover and the air filter, and that's filthy, so I'm probably going to go ahead and unbolt that off, this plastic piece off, clean it up a bit, but the battery that I have for it right there is dead, so I'm going to try to maybe jump it off with my car and see if I can get it running, but we'll see. Now that I've gotten this carburetor air cleaner piece, part that I have, cleaned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take some WD-40 and oil up this steering wheel and get it turning easier. So let's see if I can do that. Spark plug out and it doesn't look too bad, so I'm actually going to put it back in and I'm going to go buy a battery and some gas and see if we can't get this thing started today. Now we're going to tighten up the new battery and see if it works. Hopefully it does, because I'm not going back to Walmart. No! That didn't happen. So we got the battery hooked up. Now we're gonna put some gas in it and see if it'll crank up. This thing was completely empty.
Starter's really bad, guys, so we're gonna replace that in the next video.
Alright guys, that is going to be the end of part 1 of this project. In the next video we are going to be ripping off that starter and seeing what's wrong with it, and hopefully getting it running in the second video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you like projects like this, please subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for part 2 of this, and see you next time. Peace.
Will South Dragon ever get his lawnmower started? Or will it just be another failure? Find out on the next episode of Lawnmower Conversion.